Hey, what's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. Today we're going to be installing the carbon fiber replacement gear cover trim. This is a full replacement, so it's going to replace the OEM one that we have here. I've already started because it is a little bit of a pain, but your best approach that I've seen is if you get in here with a pry tool, try to lift this up, and then you're going to push hard, and all of this should start coming off. So the way this is mounted, I'll take this off, and I already removed the plug, so it has all the control module for the controls that are here in the front. You want to remove that connector out of there. I'll show you in a little bit in another frame, but this is how it looks. So we're going to transfer over this box that's here, which is with all the controls. It just has 4 Phillips screws, if I'm not mistaken, and we're going to transfer those over to the new one. So you guys can see on the carbon fiber, we also have those little standoffs where the screws are going to go. See, they're there, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's a direct replacement. We transfer that over, reverse process, plug in the connector, and push it in. So here, guys, so once you flip this over, the connector's here. I put it back so you guys can see. So you're gonna push on this thing, and it's gonna bring out the connector like so. So once that's out, we just need to go ahead and remove it out of here. You're gonna remove the Phillips screws here, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we'll transfer that over, and we're good to go. Take off the screw. I already unfastened some of them. It's a Phillips screwdriver, so let's go ahead, take that one off. There's another one here. I like to do a crisscross effect, so now we take off this one here. And the last one we'll do here, like so. And there you go. So this piece transfers over to the new one, like so. And then we'll go ahead and we'll fasten on the screws again. All right, I went ahead and I put back the screws back on here. What you want to make sure is that if you notice here, there is like a standoff that goes in perfectly. This is on each point, so you know, just there. Make sure everything is centered and it's going into those little cavities. See, it's like kind of like a crown cavity, and you go ahead and you tighten those screws. Same thing, a crisscross format, and then we're ready to put this back on. Again, we'll go ahead and connect the connector, and then we'll go ahead and press where these clips are, and it should secure like OEM. Available on our website at boosterwhips.com under the Genesis G70 category, and ready to ship. So check us out. I'm gonna go ahead and install this and give you the final look. All right, so we are back in the car. So we'll just go ahead and get this connected. Only one orientation. Let's connect it, and put this over the shift knob all the way down. And you want to line up all the points, which you'll see there, and there you go. You push down until each clip is secured, and you're good to go. And there you have it, guys. Fully OEM, looks nice, everything lines up perfectly. If you guys have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching again. Available on our website at www.boosterwhips.com under the Genesis G70 category. And that is it. Thanks for watching again, guys. Until next time, Booster Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.